Arthur, the first one to wake up in the team.
It's a beautiful breakfast, couple. Thank you.
Enjoy. Good morning.
Good morning, couple. I didn't take a shower yet. Don't film me.
Oh, because you didn't take a shower?
Because of my hair.
That's fine. Little Steve McQueen.
Shoot, I lost this one.
Team Tsarukyan, we just don't train the body, we also train the mind. Ragu alla bolognese, we'll say, but instead of using beef, we use venison. Gamey taste. We're gonna make this pasta al chiodo, which is a little less cooked than al dente. And then we're gonna finish the cooking process inside here.
So we're gonna eat before we go to the gym?
Yes. So otherwise Arman will eat too late, and I want Arman to go to sleep.
You don't want him to eat it late at night, huh?
No.
When are you gonna pour some parmesan on top?
In the end.
He knows. I taught him how to be Italian. He's ready. Are you?
Born ready.
Sing
Born ready.
No, you were not born ready.
I born ready.
To be. Why did I just got need on my solar plexus? I just said I taught you to be Italian. But hey, it's Team Tsarukyan. We like to keep things spicy.
No, you're cooking black belt.
Arturo,
Yeah.
are you happy that we're gonna have dinner all together like a family?
Yes.
I appreciate my Armenian brothers. Even though I need to say, I've always been asking, can you guys like schedule a dinner with System of a Down? Because I want to meet them. You know, it was one of my favorite bands.
We will, couple. We will.
They always are good. Next time. A little bit.
Careful, couple. This is important. This is gold for us right now. Especially for Arman, this is gold, and you wanna spell this.
Al dente.
Al dente. Yeah, you do a little bit al dente, yeah?
Al dente.
Al dente, thank you, couple, bro.
You're very welcome. Here we are with my good friend Pace, going to the evening training session.
And Edik.
And Edik is a staple of the Tsarukyanism.
Yeah.
Edik.
What's up, couple?
Yeah, давай.
Давай, yeah, давай.
How are you doing?
I'm good.
Are you happy?
Yes, of course.
Anyway, Vace, what do you think of Arman's caloric intake before the training session? Do you think it's going to be enough?
I think he'd feed a whole family.
That's how we roll, baby. A whole
Each one
family.
of us have like 4,000 calories.
Let's go.
With that meal.
It's all fun and jokes until we miss weight. You know, it's like, can you imagine? Hey, my athletes eat a lot, they eat a lot, and then they miss weight.
It's not gonna happen.
Not gonna happen. What you gonna do? The mohawk?
Yeah.
Go on.
Here is 0. Here is just the hair.
Don't be shy. Please introduce yourself, sir.
My name's Gab. I'm the barber for today.
You're not a barber. You're the artist.
We'll take it.
What a clean haircut.
Simple. Get some loro piana
Loro piana. Molto bene.
or brunello cucinello.
Ah, yes. No, it's a very good cut.
What for dinner? Just chicken
And potatoes.
chef capo d'aglio.
Capodanniano.
Capo d'agliano.
Couple, ready?
Ready, yes.
Give me, please.
Are you gonna digest, or are you gonna find another excuse for not performing?
No, this is not pasta, couple. And we
That's
have
it,
more
pasta.
time. We have 1 hour.
This guy, number one bullshit. Just
Oh,
Arman.
in my stories.
Arman, it's easy to say. Arman, brother, you beat me up. Easy. No, instead, the pasta. Did the pasta slow you down yesterday?
No.
No, just you, eh?
No.
Maybe he had a lot.
Yeah.
Oh, he left some, actually.
I left because if I eat that, that's it.
What a shame.